Hello, learners. Uh, Today we are going to start a new series on SPSS. So first we will learn how to fetch the data in SPSS. So I have created one very basic data. You all are giving feedbacks. So the same data is in front of me. So here I have student ID, which would be a kind of categorical data. I have a gender, that is male and female program, that would be BBA and BBA Business Analytics. Yes, these are the five important parameters on Likert scale. You have given a feedback. So this data would show the feedbacks given from student ranging from 1 to 5, where 1 would be representing very poor, 2 would be representing poor, 3 would be neutral, 4 would be good, and 5 would be excellent. The Likert scale feedback would be given on variables such as clarity, knowledge, punctuality, interaction, and material. Moving towards the last data, that is attendance. So here in attendance, uh, what would be the students sitting in my class? So that would be there. So this is my variables and this is my data sheet. So first, how to load the data we will see in SPSS. So I am opening SPSS. Now you can load the data from file menu also in the ribbon, open and data. You can open from here also. You can see the folder. You just click on it. You just need to give a path. I have already given. You just need to change to Excel file. You just click on the file name. Once you click on the file name, it will ask that which variable or which worksheet you need to take. So my first worksheet was just a variable name and second was data sheet. So you can change it as per your requirement. You can also see here that it is changing here, preview. So check the preview. I want this variables and I am just clicking OK. So once it is done, it is loaded in my SPSS. Always remember SPSS has two views. The one is data view and second is variable view. So obviously I have 9 variable as I have explained from student ID to attendance. So all the variables are loaded. From type you can change. So you can change to a string data if it is a new alphanumeric or maybe a kind of alphabetic thing. You can change to string. So data type can be changed here. Width is there, it's okay. And decimal. If you require decimals, you can add here. So check here, the attendance percentage is there. I want attendance percentage in 2 decimals. So I will just click here and I add 2 decimal. You see here, it would be in 2 decimal. So this is very helpful thing. Moving towards label, so this is just a title that you need to give. Suppose if here my student ID is GR number, so I am writing GR number. This is for just identification of your file. Gender, now see here the values are there. So here in gender, I need to add values. Suppose if here one I have given to female, so I will just add here 1 as female, 2 as male, and once it is done I will just click OK. Now check the data view. Everything is same, but when you click here it would change your variable to the name. Same here if I click on program. So I remember one was for general BBA, two was for BBA business analytics. So I will write BBA, BA. You can see here when I just click on value labels, it would change. Moving towards the most important thing, this clarity to material. These are the feedbacks from 1 to 5 ratings. So here I will just give here 1 as very poor, 2 as poor, 3 as neutral, 4 as good, and 5 as excellent. So once I just give the rating, and when I check here, you can see the data has reframed, and I will just do Control C. Obviously, this all variables have same data values, so I will just do Control V. It will represent it. Yes, attendance was in percentage. It is a kind of discrete variable. Sorry, continuous variable. So no need to require that. More important, missing value. If it would be there, it would show here. Columns are there, the column length and all, how much spaces are there, alignment right left whatever it requires, measure. Here you need to remember, as we have studied in research methodology, nominal, ordinal, ratio and interval. So yes, nominal and ordinal would be there, ratio interval is merged into scale. So always remember, nominal data, I always say it is for categorizing it. Like for example, male, female, program. Ordinal data is kind of rank order, ascending or descending order. Like here the ratings were there. It was a kind of ordinal data. And yes, scale data, as I always say, it would be ratio or interval. Most probably it would be a numeric data. If it is having a zero, absolute zero, then it would be ratio. And if it is having a kind of other data, but yes, you need to remember it would be considered in software as a scale data. So this was loading of the data. Here we have 5 different tabs that we need to work on it. So file menu or file tab in Ribbon is important tab where we can open new file, we can save the file. The second is edit, where cut, copy, paste, clear, insert cases. This all things are more important. Data tab is again an important thing in it. Transpose would be most of the times used from rows to column and column to rows. Sometimes restructure is also useful. Moving towards transform variable. This is also most important. Winnings would be done from here. And most important is analyze in ribbon. So analyze menu has all the statistical tests that we require. Even graph tab is also more important for us. So this is just a first lecture where we have learned how to load the data. So if I just give a quick recap, just click on file, open the data, change the data into Excel if your data is available in Excel. If it is in CSV, then change to CSV. Once the data is fetched, always remember we need to select a right worksheet. You need to check the preview thing. Once it is added, you need to see like you will have two data tabs, that is variable view and data view. So you just need to move to variable view, do some basic transformation as required, and this was today's session. Thank you. બરાબર ભાઈનું લાલુબા થયું હશે ને